Well, hello everyone, it's me, Handy Danny, and I'm gonna show you how to put on this commercial Cal Royal hardware for the door. It's a door handle. This is a commercial door. If you haven't subscribed already, if you haven't already joined my membership, be sure to do so. But here is the packaging right here. And what it comes with here is the hardware just like this. And you see this little blue tab right here? This end just pops off. They put the little blue tab in there so it wouldn't lock. You remove that right there. You remove these pieces, and then you remove this last piece right here. So I'm gonna put these over here. We also have a door latch right here. And you always wanna make sure, we're gonna put this in first. You always wanna make sure it's going towards the door, okay? So it's gonna go towards the door this way. All right, and remove that little plastic right there. And it comes with several screws, and I'm gonna show you the difference here. You see this bigger screw right here? And then we have this smaller screw right here that's right beside it. If you can kind of get a focus on that there. See the smaller screw versus the bigger screw? I'm gonna use the smaller screw, and I just have a number 2 on my drill here, okay? And you'll be able to see where you can get all these different tools and things that I use down below in the links always. Okay, so we have that guy popped on there. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece right here and we're gonna stick this guy inside here. Okay, and then the little latch on the inside catches it, and you're able to turn it already and see it already doing its work, okay? Then we have this piece right here, install support screws right here. That's what it says as I kind of focus on that right there. We have this piece, and you always want to make sure that you put this piece with the little teeth, okay? See the little teeth there? I'm trying to focus on that. See the little teeth there? I want the little teeth to be pressed on the inside of the door, and I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna move my camera here in a moment to show you this. And then we have this screw right here. It's a mechanical screw, okay? And I'm just gonna just pop that screw inside there, thread this guy. Okay, then we have another mechanical screw. Just kind of thread him a little bit. Then I'm gonna just hit it with my number 2. Okay, so before I go any further, okay, so what I want to show you here is the piece that I just installed is on there, and the door handle, as I screwed the screws in here, I could see the door handle kind of lift up and go into place of where it needed to be. It was kind of sagging down, and it all kind of lined up where it was supposed to be. Okay, so now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to just turn it to pop it off there, and I just have the sleeve here, okay? And I have these teeny little mechanical screws, as you can see that there, okay? And let me show you the length of it, okay? This guy, if you put this plate on backwards, these screws will not connect. And sometimes that's what the issue is. And you can send another screw in there, but me, I like to use exactly what's given to me for that specific thing. Okay, so I have that piece on there. The latch is still working fine, as you can see it kicking out right there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little sleeve on here and just give it a little bit of a quarter turn, pop it on there, put this on there, make sure it's on there real good. There's been times I put them on and they pop right back off because I didn't have it all the way. And as I shut the door, Everything latches beautiful. Everything's perfect. And I can just open the door and boom, the door is installed. Let me show you from a different perspective here. Sorry for moving the camera around a whole lot there. But as I come here to open the door, and then I close the door, boom, everything pops right in, everything is good. So I'm gonna show you this real quick. This is kind of like some bonus feature. Move this around one more time. Maybe, might move it again. But I have the strike plate. This right here is by Timely. This comes with the hardware pack. This comes with the door frame itself. And it is the most simplest thing in the world. So, get my screws here. It comes with this little set of screws. And as you can see, my strike plate right here has that little foam there. I like to leave that there because it's kind of sticky. And as I stick it up there, it kind of stays up there for me a little bit. This right here, you're going to use a number 2 as well. Do you guys drop stuff when you're installing stuff? Do you guys drop stuff when you're installing stuff? Because it's like, whew, I'm forever dropping stuff. Okay, so now that guy is popped on there and the door will latch a little bit cleaner, a little bit better. And the cool thing is this little thing right here, you can take a screwdriver and you can just pop it out a little bit to make the door catch a little bit easier. Or if it's sticking too much, you can push it back to make it, for the door to close a little smoother. So I'm going to go ahead and close it. All right, and that's it. It's pretty simple. This video's over. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the new membership program that I have set up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.